Welcome to Saksham Casting, an ISO certified unit and your trusted partner in precision casting since 2018. Located in Rundi Palwal, we specialize in high quality high manganese, plain carbon and alloy steel castings. Our products include concaves, mantles, jaw plates, rollers, bumping plates and liners for stone crushers. We also create customized castings for rolling mills, sugar mills, hydraulic presses and the hydro energy sector. At Saksham Casting, every product reflects quality, precision and reliability because your success is cast in our metal. When it comes to casting large and heavy industrial components, box molding stands out as the preferred process. In this method, sodium silicate is used as a binder to hold the sand firmly and carbon dioxide is passed through to harden the mold into a strong, durable structure. A cope flask is then placed on top with precise channels for pouring, sprues and risers. This technique is trusted across India for producing heavy castings like jaw plates, concave mantles, flywheels and gears, ensuring exceptional strength and precision every time. Let's walk you through the induction furnace melting process from raw material charging to defect-free pouring. It starts with charging the furnace using an electromagnetic lifter. Clean, rust-free mild steel scrap, along with a small amount of ferrosilicon and coke, is loaded in 10 to 12 carefully weighed rounds. Then comes the core stage induction heating. An alternating current passes through copper coils, generating a powerful electromagnetic field that melts the metal uniformly, efficiently, and with precision, ensuring top-quality castings every time. After every melt, a metal sample is tested on an emission spectrometer to ensure the chemical composition stays perfectly within control. After testing, the molten metal is poured into molds through sprues and risers for complete filling. As it cools, risers compensate for shrinkage, maintaining the casting's shape and strength. Once solidified, the mold is broken open, revealing a precisely formed heavy industrial component ready for the next stage of processing. Once the casting cools, the mold is broken to extract it. The knockout process removes excess material, followed by cleaning, finishing, and inspection to ensure top-quality castings. Water quenching is a key heat treatment process for manganese steel, and its effectiveness depends on the manganese content. For high manganese steel, this method, called water toughening, enhances toughness and strength without making the metal brittle. The process is carried out at around 1050 to 1100 degrees Celsius, followed by rapid cooling to prevent carbide formation, ensuring the steel achieves its ideal, soft yet tough structure. Swing grinders are used for large castings, while hand and angle grinders handle smaller or detailed areas, ensuring a smooth and precise finish. At Saksham Casting, we specialize in precision machining using advanced vertical turning lathes, VTLs, for large and complex components. Our single and double-side VTLs handle straight, curved and cross-cut profiles with exceptional accuracy and stability. With the addition of the Koraki horizontal boring machine, we've enhanced our capability to achieve tight tolerances and perfect concentricity, a true game changer in heavy-duty machining. To ensure every product is flawless, we conduct non-destructive testing (NDT) to detect internal and surface defects, along with dimensional, liquid penetrant, and magnetic particle testing, guaranteeing strength, durability, and reliability in every casting. Let's talk about destructive testing, a vital process to ensure the quality and reliability of cast metal products. It focuses on mechanical testing, verifying the casting's strength, hardness, impact resistance, and overall performance. Before a casting is approved, samples are pushed to their limits to detect hidden defects that could affect integrity. By analyzing how materials respond to extreme stress, foundries ensure every casting meets stringent performance standards. Key tests include tensile strength for load-bearing capacity, hardness for surface durability, impact tests for shock resistance, and elongation and fracture toughness for flexibility and crack prevention. Each of these evaluations helps manufacturers maintain high quality, prevent material failures, and ensure long-term durability under real-world conditions. Because in metal casting, mechanical testing isn't just a step, it's a promise of quality, precision, and trust. At Saksham Casting, we ensure on-time delivery to keep your operations running smoothly. With a strong stock of finished products and an efficient dispatch process, every order reaches you safely and promptly. Because for us, every product is a promise of quality and every collaboration a partnership for the future. Saksham Casting, delivering excellence together.